If you're experiencing the cloud save error 2026 at Apex Legends, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue and enable cloud saving. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Apex Legends server status page to ensure that there are no ongoing issues or maintenance that could be affecting cloud saves. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Apex Legends completely and restart it. This can refresh the connection to the cloud servers and may resolve temporary glitches. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam or Origin, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can lead to issues with cloud saving. Step 5. Relink your account. If the problem persists, try unlinking and then relinking your gaming account to your platform. This can help reset the connection to the cloud save system. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error and enjoy a smoother gaming experience in Apex Legends.